Why does your scanner show the P0894 engine code? What does it mean? P0894 is a diagnostic trouble code for Transfer Case Control System, MIL request. This engine code indicates that this means the vehicle's PCM has detected a discrepancy between the input and output speeds of the transmission, suggesting that one or more internal components are slipping. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: low or contaminated transmission fluid, defective shift solenoids, failing torque converter, internal transmission problems, valve body problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mazda 5, Honda Civic, Chevrolet Silverado, and Buick Rainier. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.